Have you ever wanted to seamlessly move GIS data between QGIS and an online map without repeatedly exporting files? With MAPOG, you can publish, share, and collaborate on QGIS maps through a connected workflow between your online maps and QGIS. First, log into story.mapog.com and open the Create and Publish Map module. Next, click Create New Map. Select Blank Map, click Next, enter a map title and description, and create your map. Then open Map Settings and upload a map logo or cover image to make the project easier to identify and present professionally. Next, open the GIS data section, search for your area of interest, search for the required GIS layers, and import each layer individually. Building the map online. First, ensures your project contains the required datasets before you begin desktop editing. Now, open QGIS and create a new project. Then, navigate to Plugins, open Manage and Install Plugins, switch to the All Plugins tab. Use the search bar to search for the MAPOG plugin, click Install. Once installed, open the plugin and sign in using your MAPOG account credentials. This securely connects your online maps with your QGIS workspace. Next, open the MAPOG to QGIS section and click Add Existing Layer. Search for your MAPOG map, select the required layer, choose the preferred format such as GeoJSON, KML, SHB, or CSV, and click Load Selected Layer into QGIS. This allows you to continue editing and analyzing the same data inside QGIS. After completing your edits, open the QGIS to MAPOG section and click Upload Layer to MAPOG. Then, select an existing MAPOG map or create a new one directly from QGIS. Choose the QGIS layer you want to upload and click Upload to MAPOG. This keeps your online map synchronized with the latest desktop edits. Finally, open the Share Link section to control map accessibility. Click Make Public to generate a shareable map link or open the map directly from QGIS. Alternatively, click Make Private whenever you need to restrict access, allowing you to manage map privacy without leaving the plugin. This workflow enables you to seamlessly publish, synchronize, and collaborate on GIS data between MAPOG and QGIS. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, analyzing maps, creating maps, or GIS consultancy, you can write to us at support@theratemaPog.com anytime.